In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app, and then in order to start creating a group, just tap right here at that pen icon. Then tap Add New Group, and here all you have to do is to check mark at least one person. You can add there multiple people in that way, just check mark them, and once you selected up to 512 people at once, you can just tap on next, and here you can name that group. I'll just type in test, and there you can tap on plus sign to add group image. You can take a photo, you can choose photo, you can use emoji and sticker, or you can search in web for some specific photo. I'll tap on choose photo to open up my phone's gallery, and from here let me select this one, then tap on choose, and here also I can tap on disappearing messages, and here I can select 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or I can toggle this feature off. By default it's off, and if you are selected some of that options, all new messages in this chat will be disappear after the selected duration. I left this feature off and then tap on create, and that's it. Now new group has just been created, and you as admin in any time can tap on that group name, and from here you can in any time add new members to that group, or you can hit on invite to group via link. And here you can just tap on copy link and then send it to anybody via message, or you can share link, or you can hit add QR code to form it. You can screenshot it and then send it to anybody, and in that way you can invite new members to your group. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.